Bible is just a claim. It's not a fact. We are living under assumption, imagination, and propaganda by the Europeans that colonized us. Do you know the meaning of colony? Slave. Europeans enslaved Africa for 400 years. Where was God and Jesus Christ during the time of slavery? After the slavery, they came with the missionary. The same people that came with slavery, the same people that came with missionary. The first slave ship that came to Africa to pack my ancestors is Jesus Lubeck. Joined European slavery, you know something. That's the name of that. Jesus is the name of the ship they used to convert my ancestors to the Europe. He never exists, just a venture name. People who don't, if you know history, you will not be a Christian, you will not be a Muslim. All those things are rubbish. Christianity is 2,000 years plus. Islam is 900 something years plus. People have been living before these people came to Africa to colonize us. So where will all those people go? You are telling me there's a better place over here. My brother, use your phone, Google America. Just Google Malaysia. Google Indonesia. Google France. There's one bridge I saw yesterday in Netherlands. Sea bridge, ship the car, ship the car, go open. Thunder fire now. Europeans are building this kind of infrastructure for their own people to enjoy and be happy here on earth. A stupid black man is believing that there's a better place over here. Are you crazy? Go to Dubai. Go to China. Chinese, are they Christians? The whole thing we are using today are produced in China. You know what they think? Japanese live longer than every other people in the whole earth. Are they Christians? Indians, they produce in every family in India. Are they Christians? Why are you telling me that if I must be a Christian to be before? That is rubbish. The only thing that make you rich in life, prayer no day inside. You must get idea, you must get a product and service. Yeah. If you don't get these three things, or guy go and rest, no money for you. You don't get sense, you don't get service, you don't get I won't take it one. You must get one of them. If you like, go and pray for January to December. If you don't ask something, no money, no they come. Let's tell the truth. Let's say the way it is. Europeans build companies. There is jobs in abroad. That's why if you see anybody who don't come out for this country, ask as a brother, which time you go church last? You say, poverty make you a Christian here because you are poor. Government have fed you. Then they push their duty to the church. Gullible pastors and criminal pastors turn people to their offering box using the shine. They promise them heaven after they don't die. No get sense. In Europe, in the morning, as you wake up, you are rushing to the train station. You are going to catch your train by 8 o'clock. You are going to work like 8-hour shift or 9-hour shift. The crazy get time. There is water, there is light, there is gas. You must work to pay your bills. And the work is there for you to do. When time you get to pray again? Because there is poverty in the land. Somebody makes you believe that God will give you a job. When there is no fight, you are crazy.